This Nogoal Starlink Mini mounting kit uses a very strong magnetic base that clings firmly to metal roofs without drilling or scratching, which makes it ideal for vehicles and temporary setups. The included protective enclosure shields the Starlink Mini from rain, snow, dust, and road debris, so the dish keeps working reliably in harsh outdoor conditions. Because the mount arrives already assembled, you can attach your Starlink Mini once and then drop the whole unit onto any steel surface in seconds whenever you travel. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction resists rust, ultraviolet exposure, and moisture, making it well-suited for long-term use on campers, boats, and off-road rigs. The low-profile design keeps the dish close to the mounting surface, reducing wind drag and helping the system stay stable at highway speeds or in gusty weather. A flat, vibration-dampening base helps the antenna maintain a steady satellite lock, which is especially useful when you are parked on uneven ground or making frequent stops on the road.